Links from audio sharing sites are some of the easiest links to get, but not many webmasters seem to be going after these links. These links are good for diversification. First, you would need to create a piece of music. You can use a site like soundation.com to create music online for free. It doesn't have to win the Grammy, just create a music file. Whatever sounds pleasant to you is good enough. If you do not want to create music yourself, you can get someone on Fiverr to create music for you. Search Fiverr for something like Create Music and you will see several gigs listed. Choose one and specify that you need some original music created for you. Once you have the music file, do a Google search for something like Audio Links SEO or List of Audio Sharing Sites SEO. You will see several lists of audio sharing sites that accept music. SoundCloud.com is one audio sharing site you can submit your audio file to. Let me upload a file I created to SoundCloud and get a link from them. You will need to create an account first. I already have an account with them. Once you are logged in, click on this button here, Upload. Let me choose the file to upload. Give this track a title. You could use a few LSI keywords in the title. I could call this A Good Night's Sleep. Choose a genre. I'll choose Custom. In the description, you would want to write a couple of lines about the audio you created and about your website as well, and include a link to your website in the description. You would want to make sure the track is public, or else Google will not be able to see the page your link is on, and then click Save. We now have a link to the site from SoundCloud. This is where the link to our site is. There are several audio sharing sites you can submit your audio file to. One thing you would want to note is you would not want to submit your site to more than 5 to 10 audio sharing sites in a week. In fact, I would suggest limit the number of such sites you submit your audio file to around 5 sites a week. You would not want to submit to too many sites all at once. Also, you would not want to use the same titles and descriptions with all of the sites. You would want to vary them a bit.